getting you dressed.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you pull your pants back up?
No, I know, but you don't like me.
Kelly, sit up. Come on.
I like you.
Come on, sit up.
Why do I like you? Marina. Ow! Ow!
Allie.
You stupid? Okay.
I don't know what made this woman drink to the point where she did not even realize whether she was wearing pants. Police tried to help her, but with her uncooperative attitude, her night was about to get worse. On April 28, 2025, officers with the Key West Police Department found a woman lying near the marina, nearly naked and showing signs of severe intoxication.
All right, Kelly. Kelly, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Kelly, you got to get dressed.
You gotta pull your pants up, man.
You're getting me dressed, right?
No,
you're getting you dressed.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you pull your pants back up?
Okay.
Did you want to go to jail tonight?
No, I know, but you don't like me.
Kelly, pull up your pants. You're at the bite. Where are you staying?
But you like me and you always like me.
Kelly, pull up your pants.
But you like me.
Kelly, pull up your pants.
Huh?
Pull up your pants.
Okay.
Kelly, you're gonna have to pull up your pants or you're gonna have to go to jail.
But these are my friends.
Pull up your pants. Come on, sit up. Let's go. Kelly, sit up. Come on.
I like you.
Come on, sit up.
Why do I like you?
Kelly, I'm going to place you on the curb and you're going to fix your pants.
What?
Fix your pants.
Fix your pants, Kelly.
Fix your pants.
Okay. I think I'm...
Okay, pull up your pants. Kelly.
Okay. Can
Okay, Kelly, the rest is up to you.
Okay. Now, can you help me out?
Are you going to pull up your pants?
Yeah. Can you help me out?
1, 2, 3. Pull up your
Can you
pants.
help me out with this? Right here. Can you help me? Okay.
Can you make
Kelly,
out?
why are you laying on the street with your pants pulled down?
I'm not lying. I'm just,
So that's against the law, you know that?
you know, I am trying to go get my bullshit over there, right?
They were only trying to help the woman put her clothes back on, figure out where she was staying, and get her out of the area safely. But even clearly explaining where she needed to go began to become a problem.
I think your boat's back over that way towards the dinghy docks, okay?
Thank you.
So why don't you walk to your boat, okay? And put yourself to bed, all right?
I do, a with a thing over there.
Okay, can you grab your bag and then make your way back to your place?
Yeah, if you can give me a, you know I live over this, right?
No, I think you need to walk back that way to your boat, okay?
No, I live over that boat.
Do you live on that boat?
What slip do you live on?
Ghost Bite.
That's where you are. Which slip? Which pier?
Sorry.
Which pier?
Ghost Bite Marina.
Okay, let's have a seat.
Yeah,
Kelly,
you know,
you're gonna fall, you're
I.
gonna hurt yourself. Kelly, let's sit.
Okay,
There.
you guys know I live at Ghost Bite Marina.
That's where you're at.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Where?
get back to Marina. Okay, I'm trying to get back to Marina.
You're at the marina, Kelly.
Yeah. But at least I'm trying to be happy.
I don't know what that means.
Right?
I don't know what you just said, but which?
You know
where-
I love.
Do you know where your house is?
Yeah.
Where?
Ghost Bite Marina.
We're at Garrison by Marina, Kelly.
No, it's just right over there. And I'm going out with my friend's house.
Is your friend expecting you?
Yeah.
What's her name? Can you call them?
You know my friend, Garrison, Garrison, yeah. I do little stuff.
What? I don't understand a word you just said, Kelly.
Yeah. You never know. You never.
No, I never know. I know.
So you have public intoxication at the moment.
No, I'm not.
You were also naked in public.
Intoxicated. I actually want to go.
Home?
Actually.
The officer suggested that her behavior at that point could lead to unwanted consequences. Under Florida Statute 856.011, public intoxication only becomes disorderly intoxication when the person endangers another person or property, or drinks alcohol in public and causes a disturbance. This can be treated as a second-degree misdemeanor, although police may also choose to take the intoxicated person home or to a medical facility instead of placing them in custody. Along with lying outside without pants, under Florida Statute 800.03, exposing the sexual organs or being naked in public in a vulgar or indecent manner may constitute unlawful exposure of sexual organs. A first offense may be treated as a first-degree misdemeanor, while a second or subsequent offense may be elevated to a third-degree felony. At this point, police were only trying to help her stay safe and get home.
How about we just go home?
Okay, you know where the logo goes?
The what?
That's what I want. I want to go home.
Okay, where's your house at, Kelly?
I live
If you can't tell us, guess where you're going. The one place we know where it is.
Yeah. Okay.
So you want to go to Monroe County Detention Center?
No.
Well, you can either tell us where you live and you can go home right now,
I'm actually...
or you can go to the jail.
No, I actually go home.
Yeah, you should go home. Where's your house?
I'm actually, going that way.
That way is the Circle K in the intersection. That's not where you live.
Yeah, there you go.
You're about to fall over again. All right.
He likes me.
All right. Well, I think
Hey,
he's gonna have to go.
I'm doing a good thing, okay?
You're not. You're doing exactly what you did the other night, except for this time now I find you with no pants on.
Hey, I'm actually doing a good thing.
The officer's statement suggested that this may not have been the first time they had dealt with her in a similar condition. But this time, there was another very obvious problem. The remaining alternatives were running out. When she still could not handle her own condition, police began losing patience and prepared to make their decision.
What is the good thing you're
How's
doing?
that? And that's my baby. Is that not a good thing?
All right, Kelly. You can either go home and tell us where that is, or I can take you to jail right now. It's your choice. You need to get moving either way.
I wanna,
I'm not wasting any more of my time.
can you do...
I'm not doing anything. You're gonna walk there, and I'm gonna help you, but you gotta tell me where it is.
Just get me over the good girl thing, and I'm good.
I don't even think you can walk.
You know the good thing, right? I'm not doing the bad thing, I'm doing the good thing over here.
All right.
So, I'm actually trying to help you out.
I don't think you are.
800.03.
800. What, like a nudity?
Exhibit their sexual organs in public or private premises near the public view in a decent manner, or to be naked in public except in those areas provided for.
I was helping you out.
Let's go. 10:15. Kelly, I need you to stand up for me. Come on. Stand up. Come on.
You love me.
All right, here we go.
I'm being a good girl, okay?
You're not. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
I'm being a good girl.
You're not. You're in violation of...
I'm actually going...
You're not. You're going to jail. You're under arrest for a violation of Florida State Statute 800.03. Being naked in public.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even know if they can go small enough for this.
Are you really that stupid?
Yes, I'm not stupid.
Yeah, you're that stupid.
By the way.
Yeah, I got it. Just trying to get small enough to...
I fingerprint. And pencil. Who's stupid?
Okay, Kelly, hold her so she doesn't fall over and try to double lock. We're gonna go over to the hood of my car, Kelly.
You're not gonna bullshit me, right?
Alright, Kelly, do you have anything in your pockets?
You're not gonna bullshit me, right?
Yep, the camera's on. No,
Right.
turn it off.
You're not gonna bullshit me, right?
What's that?
You're not gonna bullshit me, right?
I don't know what you just said to me, but...
Yeah.
Do you have anything in your pockets, Kelly? Anything at all?
You still love me. Can I?
Let's go. Come on.
Where?
Step up in there. Come on. You can do
Stop trying to get your handcuffs out.
Hey,
I got it. I got it. I
Kelly.
got it. I got it.
Come on, out, back out.
back out.
Out.
Because it wasn't tight.
That
I
was
don't
my
think she
friend's
like. I
house.
don't think it goes small enough.
Kelly?
Well, that was
Yeah,
my
I know. I got it. I'm showing it for you.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of what? You just took off
Get
handcuffs.
rid of this same thing.
You
right
just
here.
took off handcuffs. You're not doing it again.
Get rid of it.
All right, here we go, Kelly. Back in the car. Step up in. Here. Sit back. Get your feet in.
Fucking kidding me? It's fucking kidding me.
Getting out of the handcuffs on her own and continuing to resist being placed in the vehicle created a completely new problem. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting, obstructing, or opposing an officer who is lawfully performing their duties without using violence may constitute resisting an officer without violence. This offense is classified as a first-degree misdemeanor under Florida law. They changed course and took her to the hospital so she could be medically evaluated and processed first. But even this step turned into another struggle when she refused to get out of the vehicle.
Hey, Kelly, you can't resist me. All right, that's gonna be charges.
They did it.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Kelly, we're going to the hospital. Let's go.
No. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Kelly.
Ow. Ow.
Hey, you can either work with me or against me. Let's go.
Ow. Ow.
Kelly, let's
Ow.
go.
Ow.
Let's go.
That one hurt.
Come on, let's go. Step out.
No, that hurt.
Come on, I'm not trying to hurt you, Kelly. Let's go.
That hurt. Oh,
Kelly, come on.
that hurt.
I don't know what's hurting exactly.
Oh, that hurt.
Come on, let's go, Kelly.
Get rid of it.
I'm trying to get rid of it right now. If you come in the
Get
hospital,
rid of it.
come in the hospital and we'll talk about it. Let's go.
Get rid of it.
We'll get rid of it as soon as you get cleared. Let's go.
Get rid of it.
You're gonna sit in here an awful long time if I have to get another unit out here to get you out of here. You understand? So let's go.
Get rid of it right now.
Kelly, let's go.
No, get rid of it.
Kelly, let's go.
I never liked you.
Come on, let's go. I thought you were best friends. Let's go.
Why do you not like me?
I'm trying to help you right now. We're trying to make sure you're okay, okay?
Okay,
So let's go in the hospital right now and get you checked and cleared, and then we'll talk about getting those cuffs off, okay? I'm trying to work with you, Kelly. Let's go. I can do this where it'll be painful.
No one like me.
Do you want to work with me or no?
I do.
Then let's go. Step out. Come on.
You know what? I really like you.
Come on, let's go. Leg out. Leg out. Come on. Get the leg out. We got one out already. Let's go.
Oh.
Come on. It's going to hurt if you don't.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. Let's go. Sit up.
Ow!
I don't know what the ow is. I'm helping you up. Let's go. Come on. You said you were going to help me.
Okay, let's get this way. Let's get this way.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
I'm waiting
Right
on
now.
I'm waiting on you. Let's go. You said you're going to help me.
No.
Let's go. Like that?
No. I wanna. Stop.
Come on.
Stop. Stop.
Hey, you lost.
Stop.
We're
Okay.
not stopping.
Stop. No. Stop.
You want to get your shoe back on? Yes or no?
You stupid. Or you stopping?
Let's go.
Stop. Right now. Stop. Right now.
Let's go.
Stupid ass.
After the incident, the woman faced 2 main charges: unlawful exposure of sexual organs under Florida Statute 800.03 and resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. Now, let's see how viewers reacted to this case. Laying naked in the gutter used to be a euphemism. This is the lowest of all lows. She's too drunk. They needed to take her just for her safety. That drunk on a boat? She could fall off and drown. This is a whole new low. If this isn't her rock bottom to get sober, I'd hate to see any worse. Please, for the love of God, Kelly, pull up your pants. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. This case shows how public intoxication can cause someone to completely lose the ability to control and protect themselves. After drinking too much, finding someone trustworthy to take you home is always safer and can help prevent an accident, an arrest, or even more serious consequences. The next case becomes even more intense. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what happens next.